one patch welded in there. I don't know what happened to Mrs. Heavy Chevy. I guess she quit. Oh, there she is. She's got the dash looking pretty good. Guess I won't fire her yet. What are you doing, Mrs. Heavy Chevy?
Painting this bare metal.
Why do you want to do that?
So it don't rust.
Mm-hmm. Pretty smart thinking, I say. Well, she was doing a good job, but I wish she didn't do that. Maybe I'll just leave it. Well, I didn't get a whole lot done, but still significant. Got a bunch of sandblasting done. And got the dash straightened around. Bare metal. Still got some more to do stripping. I'm using this Rust-Oleum Rusty Metal primer. I don't know. This truck isn't gonna be show quality, so I think it'll be alright there. We'll sand it a little bit and paint it. I'm gonna use good paint on the dash and the rest of the interior though. Hopefully it'll stay shiny. Looks like she signed her name there. Mom. Still got to clean my shop back up. It's supposed to rain so I can pull the Firebird back in. Man can sure make a mess in a hurry. At least I can. Well, I'm getting hungry though. That's it for now. See ya.